let's do this once more. I want to add one more step to this. From there, just one step on quickly add. So from there, you basically step. Where did we finish? Guys, remember, everything is in first position, right? Then when this was framed, you have to step out. So you did here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your feet should be together. Then you step out. Again, feet come in. They stay in for all of this. They stay in. Then again you step out, come back in. You can't walk like that. That's not good. So make sure the only part you step out for is this. Here you have to don't do the heels. Just do a swing. Okay? From there, so we finish this. You're just going 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Whichever side you're stepping, that foot comes out. So when I step to the right, right foot comes. When I step to the left, left foot comes. Slightly, yeah. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Hands are going 1, 2, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. You only do this twice. No, you have to switch your leg, guys. Guys, I don't know, it's the same as this step.
Yeah.
Except that you're adding an extra foot. Going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Forward, back, forward. Little footwork again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, forward, 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 forward. Now I'm going to do an extra step. So after you go forward, back, forward, you have to put your entire weight on that leg. So forward, back, put your weight on that foot so you can already step that foot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you go 1 and step. 1 and step. 1 and can we actually add, I wanted a flip there if it's possible. So 1 and flip. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your hands more in front of you, they're not out. This is right in front, like you're praying. These hands are here, thumbs in, and Ravi, keep your fist a little bit. If you keep a soft fit, keep it like more like a tight fist. And Ravi, open your arms up a little bit, like make the frame wider. 5, 6, same position. Don't let these drop in, they should be wide. Wrist forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 6, 7, better. So practice like this, it shouldn't look like this. It's more rounded. Yeah? So it should be more round. Okay. Let's add it from frame ki nahi. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and walk. 6, 7, 8, cross and come back. Cross and come back once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross and back. Cross and new step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try the music all the way from the top. Freestyle.
That's okay. Yeah, only lifting. Should lift little. Then time is little. Don't lift.
Time
will be okay.
Yeah.
Time. It takes time.
It takes time. And
So
especially the second side, it's like I was cheating at time.
Yeah. So
I'm
don't
not
lift.
completing it.
Maybe
So,
for your age.
मेरे भाई तो ये I'm not completing it. First side is okay. Second side when I kind of cheated it.
Yeah.
So maybe he's totally right actually. So
Yeah.
if we can we not flick then?
Yes.
Yeah. Just keep it.
Because the second side the flick is not happening.
Not happening.
Because it starts too quickly. If you flick this, then you're late for this.
Late for this.
Just go 1, 2, 3,
That's right.
4, 5, 6. The movement is exactly the same.
Yeah, then होता है.
Yeah. Then it's too fast. So just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
This
6,
much. Yeah.
7.
This is better.
Yeah, and keep your fingers together, guys. I'm still seeing a lot of this. Keep your fingers together and stay low even for this. It's not very straight. It's more low. Low, up, up, low, low, up. It's like doing this, except that our hands are here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoulder level.
It's shoulder. Take it from the beginning.
Beginning control.
Choosing.
चले बिना सोचे समझे इसलिए राधा चले इसलिए राधा चले
Five, 6, 7. Yeah, it's very much like your.
Really.
It has to be that. Okay, don't bounce the hands. Keep the hands here. Just your gaze is going up and you're just moving side to side.
So you have to do legs. also.
Yeah.
काम के भरोसे
हाँ, exactly.
तो अल्लाह के
जिसको भी करना है करो.
डांस ही करो बस.
Parallel. Keep this parallel. Don't keep it open. Parallel. Okay, so this is parallel and parallel. Yeah.
दोबारा से करो.
Yeah, exactly. Guys, your shoulders are in line with your elbows.
Face is open.
You are looking up. Yeah.
दोबारा से करो.
Last time.
यहाँ पे करो.
Please rehearse, guys.
इसलिए राह चले, इसलिए राह चले, बिना सोचे समझे, इसलिए राह चले, इसलिए राह चले.
जल्दी.
Okay.
ये जे.
No, no,
हम कर रहे हैं. ये
Not bad, kind of.
Yeah, your legs are fine. I think you're doing like a
Hands
hand
up,
and
yeah.
You should almost start from your hands. Hands push you and then you go forward. I think you're doing something like here and then here. So start with your hands. Come back. Start with your hands. So almost like you're pushing and then your leg steps. Okay, guys, much better. We're looking much better. So we'll work on it more next week. Let's run the banquet stuff once.
Okay.
Rest of you take a break and then we'll come back to the class.
एक्सप्रेशन कैसा लगा?
I think it should be smiling, it should be animated, but it's a little bit exaggerated almost, like very doll like. So big face, like big eyes. Like even your smile instead of like normal, more like like you open your mouth a little bit. So a little bit more like a little exaggerated. So it's not like a regular smile, like it should be different from the
अब
others.
तो पहन लीजिए. अब तो जवाब दीजिए.
But it has to be a little bit extra big.